Students, now this is the part 3. Here I have wrote part part 3, subject history, chapter 4. My name is Farooq Ramadan and my channel name is ONS Academy. Now, so I have wrote up to here because my issue has come. Okay, so see here I have done here the point here. See, up to words I have read. So now we will read it. See, it has been described in these words. People were ready to sell themselves for a piece of bhakri, but there was nobody to buy them. Was a scarcity of food grains. Entire families were destroyed, cattle and farm animals died. Agriculture was devastated, the famine put an end to industries. All financial transactions came to a standstill. People had to wander faraway regions in search of a livelihood. It was a great challenge to bring back to normalcy the devastated life of the people. Okay, the work of the Warkari movement. Society was greatly influenced by blind beliefs and rituals. People had become fatalistic and interred. They had lost all all intuitive all the intuitive. The condition of the common people was miserable in such circumstances. The sons in Maharashtra and Avier to inspire the masses in Maharashtra. The tradition of sons, which began with Sant Dynastivar and Sant Namedo, was carried here from in Maharashtra. The tradition of sons, which began with the Sant Dynasty and Sant Namedu, was carried on by sons coming from various strata of the society. People from all strata of society were part of the Sant tradition. For example, Sant Chokmamelia, Sant Sant Goroba, Sant Sena, Sant Sawata, Sant Narari, Sant Sheikh Muhammad, etc. Sant Chokoba's wife, Sant Soyabai, and sister Sant Nirmalabai, Sant Muktabai, Sant Jenabai. Okay, now this we have to read and then the lesson is over. In history and in science, the too much we have. I think I have in science in C. In history, the subject in history I have to complete, students, in 4 or 6 part I have to 5 or 6 parts I have to complete. because the lessons are very big. Sant Kanop Patra, Sant Bahinabai Sirkar and other women were also among them. Pandharpur was at the center of the Sant movement. Vithal was the object of their worship on the banks of the river Chandrabhaga at Pandharpur. The sons and pilgrims were used to reduce in their devotion, bhakti, that equality was propagated through bhajans, kirtans, and unity meals kala. So students, before reading the going bottom to the lesson, I would like to tell you because I have gone directly to chapter 4. I have not done the part. I have not released the part 2 of the second lesson, not made third lesson, and directly I have gone to fourth chapter. So I am sorry because I am making the video and uploading then I am making the videos and I don't know where the videos are going and how it is going from my mobile. So I think it is deleting by mine. So sorry for you. I will make it very fastly. Sant Namedo, he was a great son of the Warkari movement. He was skilled. He performed excellent kirtans as well. He awakened the sense of equality in men and women belonging to all castes. Through the medium of kirtans, he pledged was Nacho Kirtanache Rangi Jandi Lavu Jagi. See, he's telling Nachu Kirtanache Rangi Jandip Lavu Jagi. His Abhanga composition are well known. Many sons as well as common people were influenced by his teachings. He went to the Punjab propagating his thoughts. His compositions are included in Guru Granth Sahib of Sikhs. He propagated the message of Bhagavad religion in all quarters. He built a memorial to Sant Chokamela at Pandharpur. His work is unforgettable. So students, I am pausing the video here only. Now I am making the very short videos because I am also tired making the videos for you. So see, I am making too much. I will explain you in Hindi. देखो अच्छे लोग, मैं आप लोग के लिए बहुत मेहनत कर रहा हूँ. आप लोग सब्सक्रिप्शन दो मेरे को. अब तो सब अभी अपने लोग को रीड करने का है. ये संत एकनाथ, उसके बाद ये नीचे जो पेपर गया है वो. तो चलो, कभी कभार आप देखते हो कि मैं ऐसे ये कहते हैं महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बुक्स में ऐसे वीडियो बनाता हूँ क्योंकि देखो सब सेम ही है. ओके, so now I am pausing the video. Bye bye. Like, share, subscribe this channel on Academy. I am Parag Muhammad on